front of me is LENOVO Tab M11, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Now click on Facial Recognition. Enter your current screen lock. And then click on this icon next to Enable Raised Wake to switch it on or off. When you finished, hit Add at the bottom. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done, and if you wish to switch on, unlock in with a mask on. If you don't, tap on Ignore. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!